Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about grade 12 poem 1, My Mother at 66 by Kamla Das. So before reading the poetry and discussing about it, let us know something more about the poet. Kamla Das was born in Kerala. She is recognized as one of India's foremost poets. She has written 5 books of poetries. She is a sensitive writer who captures the complex subtleties of human relationship in lyrical idiom. My Mother at 66 is such an example. Theme of the poem. This poem is based on mother-daughter relation, and the poet shares her feeling for her mother when she is about to leave her. So now let us read and understand the poem well. Over here there are few highlighted words as you can see on your screen, and these highlighted words are given with their meanings also. So let us not waste our time and begin our explanation. Driving home from my parents' home to Cochin last Friday morning, I saw my mother beside me. Doors, open mouth, her face ashen, like that of a corpse, and realized with pain that she was as old as she looked. So, over here in the first paragraph, the poetess Kamla Das had gone to visit her parents, and now one fine Friday morning she was returning, and her mother was also coming to see her off to the airport at Cochin. On the way, when they were driving in their car to the airport, what the writer or the poet is thinking, that her mother is sleeping beside her, and she is observing that her mother's mouth was open and her face was pale, and she looked like a dead body, pale and frail. Now what does that actually means? That her mother was, as she was lying down over there, she looked as if she was a dead body, and moreover to that her skin had also gone pale, and she looked really very old at that time duration. Now, in the next paragraph, but soon put that thought away and looked out at young trees sprinting, the merry children spilling out of their homes. But after the airport's security check, standing a few yards away, I looked again at her, wan and pale. Now, over here, when she was thinking about that, her mother is or would be dead in future because she might have aged a lot, and moreover to that it is a destiny that the person who is born is supposed to die one day, and now the poetess mother was also aging. So because of that time, because of that thought eventually to be said, what happened, she turned her face away from her mother and she looked at the opposite direction of it, and she was now looking outside the window of the car. And what she looked over there, she looked that there were young trees, there was greenery everywhere, and moreover to that merry happy children were rushing out of their homes to play. Now over here we can say that the poet is putting two opposite or contradictory phase of our life. One is when we are young, when we are children, we are full of life, energy, happiness, we are always active and enthusiastic about that matter. But as we get old, our body is not helping us that much, we are no lacking in our energy. So, as she is comparing these two categories of the phase of human life. And now, what happened? That when she is standing at the airport security check at that time duration, she is looking at her mother again and again, and she felt that she was as pale as a winter's moon. When she looked at her mother at that time duration, she is thinking that her mother has become so old that there is no happiness, there is no light or brightness on her face. And moreover to that, she is thinking that now she is supposed to bid her goodbye. As a late winter's moon, she felt that old familiar ache, my childhood's fear. Now, over here, what happened? As she bid goodbye to her mother, she experiences that old familiar pain that she might have experienced in her childhood also. We always, as children, feel or we imagine or we go through this sort of no time duration when we think that if our parents are not there, what is going to be our situation. That pain she can still feel, and in the present time she is realizing it again. She felt that she may be seeing or viewing her mother for the last time. She tried to hide her own pain behind her smile. She told her mother that she would see her soon and smiled to assure her own self at her mother. Now, what happened? That no, she is trying to compare or she is trying to console herself by saying that no, in her childhood when she thought about that thing she would just run away from there and that thing would not turn into reality, and now she is comparing that with her present time also. And now what is been put forward over here: as a late winter's moon and felt that old familiar ache, my childhood's fear. Now, what the poet is trying to say, that she felt that her mother's face was as pale as a winter's white moon, and moreover to that, as she was bidding goodbye to her mother, she experienced that old familiar pain, as if in her childhood she might have experienced that in her time duration, because as a child she had thought that if her mother is not there, what could be her condition, and that same thing she is experiencing in her present time, that fear she is facing. But at the end, all I said was, see you soon, Amma. All I did was smile and smile and smile. So over here, thrice the word smile is being repeated for the poetic effect. This is a repetition which is being put upon. Now, what they are trying to say, that she thought that she might be observing or viewing her mother for the very last time, because her mother's health might not be good at that time duration. She tried to hide her own pain behind her smile, and she told her mother that she would soon see her and smiled to assure herself and her mother that at the end she is trying to console herself and she is trying to reassure her mother that very soon they are going to meet again. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.